Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, we'll see how to write a program to swap words in the given string. For example, if I take a string like Ram and Lakshman, I want the output in the format Lakshman and Ram. So I need to swap this Lakshman and Ram in this way. So let's get started. First we will write the code and later on we will discuss the code. These are all basics of Python program. In further videos, we will see more complex videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now give any file name. For example, I am giving swapstr.py. Now we need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name, this is the file name and extension .py. So click on Save. Yeah, file is saved and we got Python file over here. Now we need to execute this Python file. So click on cmd, enter cmd and we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter dictionary, enter. Now give file name which we have saved just now. .py, enter. See, we are getting the output Rama and Lakshman, and after that we are swapping Lakshman and Ram. Now copy this output and paste here. This is the output and this is the code. Now we will see the code line by line. This is the string we want to swap. So Ram and Lakshman is the string. After that L equal to str.split. So we are splitting this word to Ram and Lakshman, three different strings. So we are using split function. So it is splitting the string to different strings. And after that we are printing. So that's why we are getting this. And after that A comma B, we are taking two variables. A is used to store the index value of Ram and B is used to store the index value of Lakshman. And after that we are exchanging the indexes values, like this is the index value and this is the index value. Now we are interchanging the indexes value. I am assigning index value of B to A and A to B, and after that I am printing I. Then I am getting Lakshman and Ram in this way, and after that I am using join function to join this. So we are getting Lakshman and Ram. This is the code. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. In this way, we need to swap the words in the given string. If we want to swap from Ram and Lakshman to Lakshman and Ram, we need to write this code. In this way, we can swap the words in the string. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.